Hello everyone, we are the Group 4 and we are going to present the hotel chain in different levels of services. There are three different levels of services. First, the world-class services. Second, mid-range services. And third is the budget-limited services. First is the luxury elite stays. Luxury elite stays symbolize sense of prestige and status. We choose this because of its elegant monogram or an iconic emblem.
Our logo speaks for itself. A golden touch of elegance and prestige. Color. We choose gold because it represents luxury, success, and top-notch quality. When you see gold, you know it's something special and that's exactly what we offer. Font. The clean and modern font reflects sophistication and professionalism, simple yet elegant, just like our hotel. Symbol. The building and laurel wreath. The building represents our high-class hospitality and world-class accommodations. The laurel wreath is a symbol of victory and prestige, showing that staying with us is an experience worth remembering. Accommodations. At Luxury Elite Stays, we have room designed for different needs, whether you're here for business, relaxation, or pure indulgence. World-class services. First, Presidential Suite. The ultimate luxury. If you want the best of the best, this suite is for you. It comes with a spacious living room with a stunning city view, a king-size bed with the softest linens, and a private jacuzzi, walk-in closet, and exclusive balcony. Second, deluxe room. Comfort and style. Perfect for travelers who want a little extra luxury. There's a queen-size bed for a restful sleep. Modern interior with stylish lighting, bathtub, minibar, and a flat-screen TV. Third, executive room for business and productivity. Designed for those who need both comfort and efficiency. Work desk, chair, high-speed Wi-Fi for business needs, cozy yet professional ambience.
Dining or restaurant. Food is a big part of the experience and we make sure every meal is unforgettable. Elite Bistro. Elite Bistro is where elegance meets comfort. It's a place where every meal feels special. Menu, breakfast, garlic rice, eggs, and choice of tapa, tocino or bangus. Lunch, fresh and crunchy chilled chicken, Caesar, salad, seafood, pasta, toast. Dinner, seared salmon with lemon butter sauce, rich and creamy lobster. Next, business and event. Hosting an event, we got the perfect space for you. Grand ballroom, the perfect venue for weddings, corporate glass, or big celebration. Equipment with LED screen, premium lighting, and sound system can accommodate up to 500 guests. Meetings rooms where guest ideas happen. Idea for business meetings, workshop, and conference. Fully equipment with projector, whiteboard, and fast Wi-Fi. Next, lecture wellness center. Relax, unwind, and take care of yourself. Serenity Spa, your escape to relaxation. Full body massage, Swedish Thai hot stone, facial and skin treatments, sauna, and jacuzzi for comment relaxation. Elite Fitness Center, stay active, state-of-the-art gym equipment like yoga. Personal trainers available.
Additional amenities. Luxury Golf Club play with prestige. A stunning 8-hole golf for lodge and bar for post-games refreshment. Infinity pool in lodge, the ultimate chill spot. A Hajj pool with a poolside bar. Juicy cabanas for relaxation. Conclusion. At Luxury Elite Stays, we don't just offer rooms, we offer an experience. Whether you're here for business, leisure, or a once in a lifetime getaway, we make sure every moment is special, from world-class accommodation to delicious dining, relaxing spa, treatments, and exciting activities. We've got everything you need for the perfect stay, because luxury is just a peace is a feeling.
At Velvet Vista Resort, we offer a variety of services to make sure our guests have a comfortable, enjoyable, and memorable experience.
Color. The color orange is often associated with warm energy and enthusiasm. It evokes feelings of excitement and adventure which are fitting for a brand that might be related to travel, hospitality, or leisure. The gradient effect from yellow to orange in the logo adds a dynamic and vibrant touch, suggesting a lively and welcoming atmosphere. Font. The chosen font for Velvet Vista is clean, modern, and sans serif typeface. This font choice likely aims to convey a sense of simplicity, elegance, and approachability. It complements the overall design by maintaining professional yet friendly appearance, making the brand name easy to read and memorable.
Symbolism. Velvet Vista typically symbolize a luxurious, rich, and visually captivating view, often associated with opulence, grandeur, and sense of refined beauty, much like the soft, luxurious texture of velvet itself. Combine the expansive picture quality of a vista.
Accommodation. We offer different types of rooms to suit various preferences and group sizes to make a comfortable stay for every guest. We have standard rooms. These rooms provide essential amenities for a relaxing stay, including a cozy bed, private bathroom, air conditioning, a flat screen TV, free Wi-Fi, and a mini fridge. Perfect for solo travelers or couples who want a comfortable and affordable space to stay. Superior rooms. Superior rooms are more spacious and come with additional amenities like better quality furnishings, upgraded bedding, and a more expensive bathroom. Perfect for guests who want a little extra luxury with more room and enhanced comfort. We also have deluxe rooms. These rooms offer even more space and often come with scenic views of the pool, garden, or the surrounding area. They include larger TVs, a seating area, and premium furnishings. Perfect for guests who enjoy extra space and comfort with beautiful views, perfect for longer stays or families. We also have suites. Suites at Velvet Vista offer more luxurious accommodations with separate living and sleeping areas, a private balcony, and often additional features like a kitchenette or a minibar. Suites may also include upgraded bathroom amenities like a bathtub or jacuzzi. Perfect for families, couples on a special gateway, or guests seeking a more high-end experience. Room amenities included in all rooms. We have air conditioning or heating, free Wi-Fi, flat screen TV, mini fridge, coffee or tea making facilities, and room service. In our dining and food services, Velvet Vista Resort provides diverse dining options to cater a various tastes. On our on-site restaurants, we offer a wide range of local and international dishes served in a buffet style, perfect for breakfast or dinner, where you can choose from a variety of options. We also have La Grandeur Restaurant. If you're in the mood for a more formal dining experience, our La Grandeur Restaurant serves a selection of finely crafted dishes from our menu. We also have our bars. We offer bars by the pool or in the lounge area where you can enjoy a variety of drinks, including cocktails, wines, beers, and non-alcoholic beverages. It's a great spot to relax and unwind after a day of activities. We also have room service for those who prefer to dine in the comfort of their room. Room service is available. We offer a variety of food and drink options throughout the day. In our recreational and wellness services, at Velvet Vista Resort, we want you to enjoy your stay with a wide range of recreational activities and wellness options. We have swimming pools. We offer a large outdoor pools where you can swim, relax, or enjoy poolside drinks. We also provide designated children's pool and heated pools for year-round enjoyment. We also have spa. spa treatments, we offer massage, facials, and other beauty treatments to relax and refresh you. We also have sauna and steam room. We offer this to those looking to unwind further. We offer sauna and steam room facilities for relaxation and rejuvenation. We also have fitness center or gym. Our on-site gym is equipped with treadmills, weights, and other fitness equipped with guests who wish to maintain their workout routine during their stay. We also have water sports. Since our resort is located near a beach, we offer activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling for guests who enjoy being in the water. Our outdoor activities, Velvet Vista provide outdoor activities like tennis, hiking, cycling, and beach volleyball. There are also often organized tours available for exploring the local area. We have additional services. We offer a variety of additional services to make sure that every aspect of your stay is comfortable and convenient. We have concierge services. Our concierge team is available to assist with tour bookings, restaurant reservation, transportation, and any special requests you may have during your stay. We have business services. For business travelers, we provide meeting rooms and business centers equipped with computers. We also offer event space for conference, seminars, or private functions. Kids Club. Families with young children can take advantage of our Kids Club, where children can enjoy many activities such as art and crafts, games, and educational programs. Laundry and dry cleaning services. We offer laundry services, including dry cleaning, so you can stay fresh during your stay, especially for extended vacations or business trips. Meron din kaming free parking. If nag-travel ka by a car, nag-offer kami ng free parking at the resort for guests staying with us. Free Wi-Fi. Our free Wi-Fi is available throughout the resort at no additional charge, allowing you to stay connected during your stay. Our conclusion, at Velvet Vista Resort, we want to offer our guests a comfortable and enjoyable experience with a range of accommodation, dining options, recreational activities, and helpful services. Whether you're here for a short vacation or an extended stay, we provide everything you need for a relaxing and memorable experience.
Okay, so for budget or limited services, we have Heaven Blue Hotel. The Heaven Blue Hotel logo symbolizes tranquility, peace, and luxury. It creates a calming, serene atmosphere often used in upscale hotels to evoke relaxation and sophistication. The color also represents trust, peaceful, and reliability. For color, red roof or house shape, this symbolizes home, protection, and comfort, suggesting that the hotel is safe and cozy place to stay. For circular shape with an orange arc, this may represent the sun, a new beginning, or a welcome atmosphere. The arc could also symbolize openness to guests. For clouds, this symbolizes peace, relaxation, and refreshing environment, indicating that the hotel offers a calm and comfortable experiences. For blue color, blue is often associated with tranquility, peace, and reliability, reflecting the hotel's commitment to quality services. For HB text and hotel name, the large HB highlights the hotel brand identity, while the full name in smaller text reinforces recognition. The logo conveys a warm comfort and hospitality, making it appealing to potential guests. For font, we choose this kind of font because it helps establish an identity that feels professional, welcoming, and high class. Lastly, for symbolism, it's designed to visually represent the hotel's identity, values, and services. It combines various elements that symbolize comfort, reliability, and relaxation qualities essential for a welcoming hotel experiences.
So for accommodation, budget, or limited services, we offer a selection of rooms to cater to different guests need our accommodation include single rooms, double rooms, and group of family rooms, all designed for a comfortable and relaxing stay. While we provide limited services, we ensure that each room is well equipped with essential amenities to make your stay as pleasant as possible. Single rooms. Our single rooms at Heaven Blue Hotel are designed for solo travelers seeking a comfortable and cozy space. These rooms are equipped with essential amenities such as a comfortable bed, Wi-Fi, a private bathroom, and basic comfort room, ensuring a pleasant stay ideals for those traveling alone. Our single rooms offer a peaceful environment for rest and relaxation. Double room features. Our double rooms at Heaven Blue Hotel are perfect our couples or two guests. These rooms feature a comfortable double bed, essential amenities like free Wi-Fi, television, a private bathroom with toiletries, and a welcoming atmosphere for relaxation, designed for provide both comfort and privacy. Our double rooms offer a great space for restful stay. And lastly, for the group or family rooms, feature our groups of family rooms at Heaven Blue Hotel are ideal for larger parties. Our families traveling together, these spacious rooms are designed to accommodate multiple guests, featuring multiple beds, television, a private bathroom, and essential amenities such as a Wi-Fi and basic toilet. Whether you're traveling with family or a group of friends, our family rooms provide a comfortable and convincing space for everyone to relax and enjoy their stay.
Okay, so for the bed and breakfast, for our limited bed and breakfast service at Heaven Blue Hotel, we offer a simple yet satisfying menu that caters to a variety of tastes. Here are some options. Filipino breakfast. So for Filipino breakfast, we have fried rice, sunny side up eggs, red fish, sausage, coffee, tea, and juice. Okay, second, American breakfast. So we have toast or pancakes, bacon or sausage, fresh fruit, coffee, tea, and juice. Third, cereal and yogurt. So for cereal and yogurt, we have assorted cereals, Greek yogurt, fresh fruit and granola, coffee, tea, and juice. And lastly, vegetarian breakfast. So we have also grilled vegetables, toast with avocado, fresh fruit, coffee, tea, and juice. Bango Silog Day during your stay.
In conclusion, Heaven Blue Hotel provides a comfortable and hassle-free stay with limited service, ensuring essential amenities are available for guests with a variety of room options, including single, double, and family rooms. We cater to different needs. Our bed and breakfast services offers a simple yet delightful breakfast to start your day. Although our services are limited, we strive to offer a pleasant and relaxing experience for every guest, making sure you feel at home during your stay.